In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task to multiple projects in Asana. This can be a really helpful feature when you're managing complex workflows, or if you want to make sure that a task is visible to multiple teams within your organization. So let's dive in and explore how you can easily achieve this in just a few simple steps. To begin with, you'll need to go to Asana. So let's open up your preferred web browser and type in asana.com to access the login page. Once you're there, it's time to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email associated with your Asana account, and then click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you'll need to enter your password. If you're using a shared workspace or are particularly security conscious, it might be a good idea to ensure that your password is secure and unique. Once you've input your password, click on the Login button. This will take you directly to your Asana homepage. Now that you're logged in, locate the project that you're currently working on from your Asana homepage. Clicking on it will bring you into the main project area, where you can view all of your current tasks and details. Once you're inside the project, look towards the task list and select the task you want to add to multiple projects. Here you'll see an option called Details. Clicking on this will expand the task details view, and from there you can see various options including projects, where you can effectively manage your tasks' visibility across different projects. On the projects panel, click on Add to Projects. A drop-down menu will appear showing you all available projects you can add your task to. Simply select the projects to which you'd like to add this task. This way the task will now be visible in those selected projects without requiring duplicate entries or excessive rework. Once your task is added to multiple projects, any updates or changes you make to the task will be reflected across all projects. This ensures consistency and keeps everyone on the same page. Now, if for some reason you decide a particular project shouldn't have this task anymore, there's a simple solution. Just find the project name from which you want to remove the task and click the small X beside it. This will keep your task list clean and accurately tailored to each team's needs. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add a task to multiple projects in Asana, making your workflow more efficient and organized. This technique can save you significant time and help you ensure that everyone involved is aligned on project priorities. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.